So we've just get the highlighter. So Pythagoras, that's the general rule for Pythagoras. C squared equals a squared plus b squared. But normally in practice we want to find lengths. So if you want to find the hypotenuse, we take the square root. So let me write that up. So essentially it's a squared plus b squared, where a and b are the shorter sides, and you take the square root of that sum. If you want to work out, let's say, one of the shorter sides, a or b, if you remember from the previous video, what we did is we subtract. So let's say we're trying to work out b. We will get the hypotenuse length. Oops, might just Control Z. Try and write that a little bit neater. And then you'd subtract the shorter side, and then you take the square root of that. Actually, that's all a bit messy. Wait on, let's get my eraser. Try again. I'll try and use the grid. So here we go. Try again. So if you want to work out, let's say b, well, we rearrange the equation. We go c squared minus the shorter side you're given, and you take the square root of that. Can you work out what you'd have to do to work out the other shorter side? Doesn't really matter. In a sense, it's all the shorter sides. We don't really distinguish between them. But if you're using this notation, you'd go square root, again, c squared minus b squared, where c squared is your hypotenuse and b is the shorter side length you're given. So there's the three basic forms you can use to find an unknown length, depending on whether you're trying to find the hypotenuse. If you're trying to find the hypotenuse, you use this rule. I'm going to write that in. Trying to find the longer side, or the hypotenuse. I'll just write HYP, and these two to find a shorter side. So that pretty much summarizes everything you need to know in terms of using Pythagoras to find an unknown length of a right angled triangle. Okay, in the next videos we'll do a couple examples applying that.